Sometimes I come across pianos that are in um, in a poor shape overall, and this one is at a school, and the piano has all kinds of stuff inside, and it's quite dirty. It needs some cleaning. You can see. I was called to tune and clean the piano, and I'm gonna do just a light cleaning, nothing crazy really, but I'm gonna remove all the stuff from the inside, clean the soundboard as much as I can, and you can clearly tell that this piano was neglected. It's a school piano. No one really takes care of those pianos, and the cabinet, it's all dinged and scratched and chips. I'm going to do my best to just make the piano sound a little bit better and look a little bit better. I mean, as much as I can do it. And we'll see how it's gonna turn out. I have the action here, and several keys do not work, and possibly it's due to this spillage here. I don't even know what this is, but I have to clean this off and see what's the issue with the key. As you can tell, it's quite dirty. Also, the hammers are very worn. You can see the crown. The crown is gone. These hammers are so worn that you can see, instead of the hammers having a tip, a crown, they are flat, and this is due to excessive wear. Okay, so this is the work that I'm going to do now. And also, here the full board is broken as well. And this is Knabe piano, by the way. So I'm gonna see. Probably this would take me about 3 hours or so to clean up and tune.